it is the great mercy of Lord Jagannath that through Reliance Foundation, this huge prasadam is being distributed. So we thank Reliance Foundation and Lord Jagannath that he is mercifully giving this prasadam to everyone.